Planning to upgrade your kitchen with a new countertop, but unsure about the cost? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps to estimate the cost of countertop installation. And stay tuned because KB Countertops offers a convenient solution, a free in-house estimate. The first step in estimating the cost of countertop installation is determining the material you want. Whether it's the timeless appeal of granite, the modern elegance of quartz, or the natural beauty of soapstone, each material comes with its own price point. Consider your preferences and budget when making this crucial decision. Next, measure the area you want to cover. Countertop prices are often calculated per square foot, so having accurate measurements will give you a more precise estimate. Take into account any additional features like backsplashes or special edge profiles, as these can influence the overall cost. Material costs. Now, let's break down the material costs. Granite, quartz, and other materials have different price ranges based on their quality and availability. It's essential to factor in not just the upfront cost, but also the long-term durability and maintenance requirements of the chosen material. Labor costs. Labor costs are another significant aspect of the estimate. Skilled professionals will ensure a flawless installation, but their expertise comes with a price. Consider getting quotes from different installation services to compare labor costs and find the right balance between quality and affordability. However, for a hassle-free experience with unmatched quality and cost-effectiveness, KB Countertops stands out as the superior choice. Our skilled professionals bring expertise and precision to every installation, ensuring a flawless outcome. With KB Countertops, you get not only superior craftsmanship, but also a commitment to delivering exceptional value for your investment. Additional costs. Don't forget about additional costs, such as removal of the existing countertop, disposal fees, and any upgrades or customizations you might want. These can vary, so make sure to account for them in your overall estimate. Free in-house estimate from KB Countertops. Now, if you find yourself unable to visit our stores, KB Countertops offers a convenient solution, the free in-house estimate. We understand that life gets busy, and sometimes you can't make it to us. Schedule your in-house estimate today at absolutely no cost. Our experts will come to you, assess your space, and provide a detailed estimate tailored to your needs. KB Countertops is committed to making the process as seamless as possible for you. Subscribe to KB Countertop channel for more expert tips and insights on creating your dream kitchen within your budget. For all your countertop needs, KB Countertops is a better option when considering the process and costs of a countertop. Elevate your space with KB Countertops. Subscribe for more kitchen inspiration and renovation tips.